Hello friends, in the series on the income tax cases, today we will discuss the case of CIT versus Jasjeet Singh. This case has been reported in 458 ITR page number 437. The matter has been decided by Supreme Court and the date of the judgment is 26th September 2023. As all we know that in the cases of search on a assessee, his assessment under the old regime is done for 6 years under section 153A, and if any documents are found relating to some other assessee, then the assessment of that other assessee is done under section 153C. The assessment is generally open for 6 years for the previous years prior to the previous year in which the search is made, and this period may go up to 10 years in some exceptional cases where the total income, undisclosed income, is 50 lakhs for the remaining 4 years. But now in the new regime, the assessment of searched party and the other assessee will also be done under section 148. But since this case is related to the old regime, so in this case the notice was issued to the other assessee who was not searched but whose documents were found in the search of an assessee. The notices were issued for 6 years. The main issue for the consideration was that whether this 6-year period is to be counted from the date of the search or from the date when the documents relating to the other assessee were handed over by the assessing officer of the searched party to the assessing officer of the other assessee. High Court has already gave the decision on the view that the date will be counted from the date when the material was handed over to the other assessing officer by the assessing officer of the searched assessee. The department contested this matter before the Supreme Court, and the Supreme Court also upheld the order of the High Court by saying that the date on which the documents have been handed over to the assessing officer of the other assessee is important for calculating the period of assessment under section 153C. The court gave the reason for this. The court said that if the search takes place on an assessee and the assessing officer of the searched assessee takes a long period, say 4 years, in handing over the material related to the other assessee to the assessing officer of the other assessee, then in that case that assessee will be compelled to produce the documents of the 10 years, because the 6 years are the years for which the assessment will be done, and 4 years the time taken by the department in issuing the notice. So in that case that assessee will be at peril, and the law will mandate him to preserve the documents for the 10 years, and that cannot be intention of the law. So in this case the Supreme Court has also given the decision and the logic why the date of search should not be taken and why the date on which the documents have been handed over by the assessing officer of the search party to the assessing officer of the other assessee. Friends, in case of section 153 assessment, it has been seen that generally the notices are issued without even mentioning in the notice or even mentioning in the correspondence with the assessee the date when these documents have been handed over. So whenever you receive notice under section 153C, it is very important for the assessee to know the date when these documents have been handed over to his assessing officer. At the end of this video, once again I am repeating the name of the case. The name of the case is CIT versus Jasjeet Singh, and this case has been reported in 458 ITR at page number 437. The matter has been decided by Honorable Supreme Court and the date of the judgment is 26th September 2023. Thank you, friends.